Have you ever thought about what happens to your hard-earned money after you're gone? It's a question we all ponder at some point, isn't it? It's the big question, the elephant in the room, the one we often shy away from. But today we're going to face it head on. We're talking about life insurance, folks. Now, insurance is a funny thing, isn't it? We pay into it regularly, hoping we'll never have to use it. It's a safety net, a cushion against the unexpected. It's like a silent partner, always there, always ready to step in when things get rough. And when it comes to life insurance, it's no different. It's about securing your future, ensuring that your loved ones are taken care of, and making sure that your hard-earned money doesn't disappear into thin air. It's about protection, security, peace of mind. But what if I told you there's more to insurance than meets the eye? Consider life insurance as a protective shield for your capital. Now that might sound fancy, but let's break it down. Imagine you've worked hard and accumulated a decent amount of wealth. You're proud of it, and rightly so. But you're also aware of the uncertainties life throws. Unforeseen situations can strike anyone, anytime. Now, wouldn't you want to secure this hard-earned capital? That's where life insurance comes into play. Life insurance, folks, is not just about coverage for the unexpected. It's more than that. It's about protecting your capital and growing it too. Yes, you heard it right. It's like that trusty old oak tree in your backyard. As long as it's there, it not only provides shade, but also adds to the value of your property. So, how does it work? Well, life insurance is an investment policy. You pay a premium, and in return, the insurance company invests a part of it. Over time, this investment grows, and so does your capital. It's like having your cake and eating it too. But wait, there's more. Life insurance also ensures that if something unexpected happens to you, your loved ones are not left high and dry. It guarantees an insurance payout to preserve your capital. It's like that safety net beneath the tightrope of life. But here's the real kicker. The returns and the insurance payout, they're often tax-free. So not only are you growing your capital, but you're also doing it in a tax-efficient way. It's a win-win, isn't it? Now, you might be thinking, but isn't insurance supposed to be about coverage for the worst? Well, yes and no. Traditional insurance does that. But life insurance? It's a different beast altogether. It's about securing your present, planning for your future, and leaving a legacy for your loved ones. So, life insurance is more of an investment for your future, isn't it? Well, you've hit the nail on the head. Life insurance is indeed a smart move for those who want to protect and grow their capital. So why not give it a shot? After all, it's your future we're talking about. Now, let's shift gears and talk about death insurance. Often seen as the dark horse in the insurance world, death insurance is a crucial safety measure that doesn't always get the attention it deserves. So what is death insurance? In simplest terms, it's a type of contract that ensures a payout to your beneficiaries in the unfortunate event of your death. This payout is typically a predetermined sum offering financial security to your loved ones when you're no longer there to provide it. Now, you might be wondering, why death insurance? Well, here's the thing. Imagine you've bought a house with a mortgage. This house is your dream come true, but it also comes with a significant financial commitment. If something were to happen to you, your family might find it difficult to keep up with the mortgage payments. This is where death insurance steps in. It's essentially a fail-safe, a contingency plan. You're ensuring that your family won't be left in a financial lurch struggling to make ends meet while dealing with the emotional toll of your loss. In fact, death insurance is often offered in conjunction with a mortgage. It's like a safety net, a financial cushion. This coverage ensures capital to your beneficiaries, helping them navigate through an undoubtedly challenging time without the added stress of financial instability. But here's the thing. Death insurance isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. The cost of your premium will depend on various factors, including age, health, and lifestyle. It's important to shop around and find a policy that fits your budget and meets your family's needs. So, to sum it up, death insurance is a form of protection for your loved ones. It's about planning for the worst while hoping for the best. It's about knowing that your family will be taken care of no matter what. Death insurance, therefore, is a safety net for your loved ones when you're no longer around. It's not the most pleasant topic to think about, but it's one of the most important decisions you can make for the future well-being of your family. So don't underestimate the value of death insurance. It might just be the best investment you can make. What if you could have the benefits of both life and death insurance? Enter mixed insurance. Mixed insurance is a bit like a Swiss Army knife in the world of insurance. It's a versatile, multi-purpose tool that aims to cover all bases. This type of insurance marries the long-term investment strategy of life insurance with the capital preservation of death insurance. Sounds pretty good, right? Think of it as a provision plan, a safety net that grows over time. Not only does it offer returns on your investment, but it also ensures your capital is secured even in the event of premature death. It's a little bit of everything rolled into one neat package. Now, you might be wondering, why would I need such a thing? Well, let's say you've got a decent amount of capital. You want to see it grow, but you're also aware that life can throw a curveball at any moment. With mixed insurance, you're not just betting on a positive future, you're also securing your present. Mixed insurance is about balance. It's about making sure that while you're busy building your future, you're not leaving your present unprotected. It's about ensuring that your hard-earned money isn't just sitting idle, but also isn't exposed to unnecessary risks. Now, while mixed insurance may sound like the best of both worlds, it's important to remember that it might not be the best fit for everyone. The choice between life, death, and mixed insurance ultimately depends on your individual circumstances, your financial goals, and your risk tolerance. So, if you're someone who likes the idea of your insurance working for you, growing your capital while also protecting it, mixed insurance might be the way to go. But if you're someone who prefers a more conservative approach, then a simple life or death insurance policy might be more your speed. In the end, it all comes down to what you're comfortable with, what you need, and what you're hoping to achieve with your insurance policy. Mixed insurance is like a two-in-one package for your insurance needs. It's about making the most of your money without leaving anything to chance. It's about finding that sweet spot between growth and security. And who doesn't love a good two-in-one deal? Imagine your life as a house and the different types of insurance as its protective layers. Now let's use this house of risk analogy to make some sense out of the insurance types we've been discussing. Life insurance is like the foundation of your house. It's a solid base providing a safety net for your capital while also offering the potential for growth. It's there to keep your house standing strong, no matter what life throws at it. Death insurance, on the other hand, is more like the roof. It's there to protect your loved ones, the occupants of your house, providing them with a level of security in case the unthinkable happens. Then comes mixed insurance. Think of it as the walls of your house. It's the best of both worlds, providing both a foundation and a roof, ensuring your house is well protected from all sides. So, each type of insurance plays a unique role in protecting your house from various risks. So, we've talked about life, death, and mixed insurance, but what does it all mean for you? We've journeyed through the labyrinth of life insurance, unraveling its complexities. Think of it as a protective shield for your hard-earned capital, a safety net that not only safeguards your wealth but also nurtures it, allowing it to grow over time. It's like having a personal bodyguard that also doubles as an investment advisor, offering returns and interest while preserving your wealth from unexpected mishaps. We then uncovered the often underestimated death insurance. It's like a guardian angel that steps in when tragedy strikes, ensuring your loved ones aren't left in a financial lurch. While it's commonly bundled with mortgages, its value extends far beyond. It's a pledge, a promise that your family's financial stability will be upheld, even in your absence. And then there's the intriguing hybrid, the mixed insurance. This all-rounder is a blend of the previous two, offering the best of both worlds. It's a strategic provision plan that works for you while you're here, and for your loved ones when you're not. It's like having a well-rounded financial coach who guides you on growing your wealth, while also preparing for any curveballs life might throw at you. The choice between these types of insurance isn't a one-size-fits-all. It hinges on your individual needs, the capital you're looking to insure, and your personal circumstances. It's a bit like shopping for a new suit. You wouldn't just pick the first one off the rack, would you? No, you'd consider your size, your style, the occasion you're buying it for. Similarly, choosing the right insurance requires careful thought and consideration. So, take a step back, weigh your options, and consider what you stand to gain or lose. It's not just about the here and now, but the long-term implications for you and your loved ones. Remember, the right insurance for you depends on your unique needs and circumstances. So, think wisely and make the choice that best secures your future.